game's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. The Nasdaq's colors bright, the future's in our sight. We're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future, everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey. Let's answer the call. So sit back, relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Stream starting soon.
Do you know how long that's been in my head? I can't believe it. That's almost a record, the whole weekend. Very rare a song can last that long in my head. But this one, for some reason, it's not leaving. I won't sing it to you, but... I was saying, in case you missed it, the volume is 287, which is a little low, but the ATR 9 on the 1 minute candles, the range of the 1 minute candles is pretty good. Good morning, Miss K. Give away. Yes, absolutely. We're going to be running some. I think you wrote that in last night. I have to check my players list. Let's see the players list. Did it work? I got Miss K, Mikey, and Mr. Knife Art. I think there were a few others.
Why are you not going to sing us a song?
Oh, I can hum it.
Showed up and we don't even get a song. Even the one song says all I got was this song. I didn't even get the song.
I don't know if I feel like trading today. Does anybody feel like trading? How about that? Let's do that as a poll. Do you really feel like trading today?
Laptop not working? I think you broke my laptop. App has been blocked. What the fuck?
Yeah, I had a lot of problems too. Well, I told you about them last night. I couldn't even open Ninja Trader.
What does that even mean? My browser's blocked.
I did a system restore. I also had that happen to me one time. I was missing a DLL file.
How does a browser get blocked?
Missing DLL files? Missing system files? Gets corrupted? Weird things happen on computers. I don't understand it.
I restart. I bet it said blocked.
They're blocked. That's it. Apex denies payments. Chrome denies browsing. You've been denied your browsing privileges.
I can't even get on the internet. We got like a child lock or something?
Yeah. Your kids locked you out.
I'm obviously on the internet, but on my laptop,
over.
I can't get on the internet.
Oh, on your laptop.
Well, obviously, I'm on the internet on this computer.
Yep, you are right. Sometimes the obvious doesn't.
Obviously.
Hey, SP King, nice to see you. Nice to have you join us. Not all the times the obvious is so obvious, especially as you get older. The obvious becomes less obvious.
Blocked. What the fuck does that mean?
I don't know. I don't know. Anybody know what it means? He's blocked. Blocked? Yeah, that is kind of weird.
It straight up says, this app has been blocked by your system administrator. Contact your system administrator for more info. It straight up said blocked.
Log in as administrator?
Don't even get that option. Right here. Nope. Straight up blocked.
Very weird.
Okay, well, can't have your stream running today.
I can only oh, that's what you mean. Okay.
What about Firefox?
I get you.
That one's blocked too. What the hell? All my browsers are blocked? Oh, the wife's gonna,
shitty losing trade.
wife's gonna be pissed. She wants to use the laptop today.
Mm.
I'm gonna tell her Mike from Futures Floor broke it.
Hmm. Bangs, good morning. Did you contact me in where? In the Discord? In Discord? So we can get organized?
Do you feel like trading today?
No! I do not.
Something went wrong. What the hell? What's going on today? I don't want to spend all morning fighting with it. Oh, error mom, my laptop is blocked. Skeletor, good morning. Lewis was there. Did he in your stream?
Good morning, Skeletor. Good morning, Bangs. Booyah. Okay, well. Starting the day before the markets open, down $82 in, I was going to say in Omnius, in Bullinox. Bullinox and Omnius sound the same, eh? Wouldn't you say? Like if I say them fast, would you notice that there is a, I wasn't saying Omnius?
There was some guy in the stream yesterday said his name was Omnius.
Ah, yeah, I saw. Someone played with my computer.
Miss K, good morning.
Doop, doop. Doop, doop. I think we'll wait. Guys, we may delay Mikey's sponsorship video till tomorrow. I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see till what time we're sticking around.
Okay.
We'll see how it goes. I think we're going to be playing it by ear today.
Yeah.
Damn, I knew silver will sell. Yeah, what's silver at? Gold's at 50.12. That's still holding very nicely on the daily. Nothing to complain about that on the daily chart, right? As opposed to MNQ. Hey, what happened to my MNQ daily chart? Looks a little bit different. Does look like we're kind of rolling over. What? How is that even possible? Yes, the data was missing, I remember. My cat's going bananas. We're all on a holiday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
For anybody outside the U.S. that don't know, there's a holiday in the U.S. Today's market's probably going to be very slow.
Hey, President's Day. Is this when he does the address to the union or something? That speech that Nancy Pelosi ripped up? Is that the day? Good morning, James G. Are you doing better today, James?
No, I think you're
Don't
talking
worry, I
about
won't mention anything, but
I don't know if he does an address to the nation on President's Day.
I thought that's when the State of the Union was.
State of the Union, maybe. I don't know. I don't keep up with stuff like that.
Yeah.
Now, they generally do one every few months.
I gotta tell you, for me, U.S. politics is like barely move, but better. Okay.
James G, good morning.
Hopefully that'll get better as time goes on.
I think if we learned anything in recent days, that all the politics are crooked. They're all the same. Omnius, so you hanging around? Mike wouldn't let me take the day off. I messaged him. I was like, hey, man, taking the day off. And he's like, we don't have days off. He's like, market's open. He's like, market's open. We show up.
I'm in a good mood.
Like, dang, okay. I was like, it might be kind of noisy with kids running around. And what can you do, right? Nah, I'll probably hang out for about an hour. Maybe 10:30 or so. Got some other things need to do. Kids are home today. How's everybody's weekend?
Am I part of everybody? Can I answer?
Of course.
Can I
No,
answer?
I was just joking. We didn't want your opinion.
Can I answer? Can I answer?
Fine.
My weekend was actually not bad. And you? Is your weekend decent at least?
Yeah.
That's all I ask for. That's all we ask for is decent. Decent is good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, of course the market goes lower after I get in. Let's apply the bot, the strat, whatever you want to call it. Let's put this back up. You guys saw overnight how we did. You can continue to follow along.
It's getting over a cold. Need to get back to the gym. Yeah, I've been feeling a bit off myself, but I think it's I don't think it's a cold. I think it's like allergies or something. Plus, I was trying to take one of those mushroom blends. It made me feel worse.
You were talking about that last week. The shrooms.
Yeah.
The shrooms. But the healthy kind, guys.
Are they? I don't know, man.
They're healthy.
Starting to wonder that.
And they're good on pizza. Just ask James.
I don't
Who
like
doesn't like a good batch of mushrooms on their pizza, huh?
No way, man.
Yeah, there we go. We finally agree. Tell him he's a mushroom on a pizza guy. That's criminal.
That is criminal. Shit like that goes against your credit score.
Yeah, AJ Northcliffs, you look like you've dabbled in the unhealthy kind. Oh, I've more than dabbled. I have way more than doubled. I'm at work right now. What's the Discord channel? There's a link in the... There's a link in the description, but you got to go fast. You have like 10 more minutes, and then I have to give the account to someone else. I'm just joking. Give him a heart attack. I should have let it go a little bit longer, but that's mean. Go, yeah, 15 seconds, and the coupon expires. Don't worry, Bangs. We'll get organized. We'll get organized at night. We'll get organized. It's not going anywhere, the account. It's reserved for you. I have it sitting on a hot plate. Strategies. You know, I just can't remember the name of the strategy anymore now that I had to change it because of you. I think I'm just going to call it, since I can't call it Omni-Man, since you don't want me to call it, how about if I call it formerly called Omni-Man?
There you go.
Does that work?
We like it. You like it. We like it.
The strategy formerly called Omni-Man. That way I'll be able to find it. You taking mushrooms? Luis wants to know.
What's that? Yeah, y'all know that like Raz coffee or something like that?
Raz. Wow. Zip Fizz, Raz.
No,
coffee.
It's like Raz. You see the coffee things all the time, but I don't really
Oh,
drink
boy.
coffee, so you can get them in
There, boy. Nice to have you join us.
you can get them in pills also.
So, bird's eye view on the 15-minute, trading lower. Broke U.S. sessions. Well, you know what? I'm missing data. I don't know if we're breaking session lows, but we do have the low here from Friday at 24,728, just 40 points lower.
Shout out to
It's not a
Luis.
low. It's not Friday's low, but we have a low. So who knows? A little swing low there. Maybe we'll target that. Maybe we'll target it. Maybe we won't. Just jump on the momentum train and see how it goes. I am ready to lose money. What's a good amount to lose today?
Lewis, what was that? I didn't see anything. Might you see anything?
No. I
Fine.
don't have your...
We'll watch it then. Lewis, sub of the week. Does it have sound?
It does.
All right, might take a sec. Might turn it on to hear the sound. Turn the sound
Hey,
on.
Shout
look
out
at
to
the opening.
Luis,
You got
Gator the
30
Malinois,
seconds.
our
Lewis,
sub of the
sub
week. Not only does he call the markets like a pro, helps fix phantom order bugs in NinjaTrader, and wins eval accounts, making him an absolute legend, this one's for you, Luis. Glad to have you a part of the Omnius Trades and Futures Floor New York Open live stream. Shout out to Luis, Gator the Malinois, our sub of the week. Not only does he call the markets like a pro, helps fix phantom order bugs in NinjaTrader, and wins eval accounts, making him an absolute legend, this one's for you, Luis. Glad to have you a part of the Omnius Trades and Futures Floor New York Open live stream. Shout out to
Barely
Luis,
saving me
Gator
with
the
phantom
Malinois,
orders
our
in
sub of the week.
NinjaTrader.
Not only does he...
Lewis, sub of the week.
Markets are open, but are they moving? What to do? What to do? Sell? Buy?
I was trying to set it up and Lewis saw it. It's all right.
Yeah. You didn't prepare for the exam in advance, huh?
Do I ever? Has anything ever made any of y'all think that I prepare for the exam in advance?
You needed to study the night before. Okay, I got back $50 of my.
Lewis, we appreciate you. What are we doing?
What are we doing? We got a new sponsor also this week.
Awesome.
Got to pay the bills. Got a new sponsor. We're just waiting for him to show up. Once he shows up. Can I sell again over here? I mean, technically it would be, nah. No, it just went long. It just went long. But no, guys, do not look at the chart and say, what the hell is he seeing? How did it just go
What the hell
wrong?
is he seeing? How the hell?
Remember, I trade on like micro time frames. I trade on the half-second chart. I actually pay. Mikey, there he is. Mikey. We need you in the room today, Mikey.
Michael, and Mikey.
We need you in the room, especially at 10:30. We've moved the Omnius has to go, so we've moved the sponsorship ahead by an hour, or behind by an hour. Ahead by an hour, right? Ahead, yeah. It's funny, eh? How 11:30 to 10:30 is ahead. But that's ahead by an hour. How odd that is.
I don't know why every day I have to
About it.
rearrange my charts to get them to fit on the screen.
I don't know why every day I got to point to the right before my brain will say, "Oh, that's the right side." I don't know if you guys have to do that. I can't know what's right and left right away. I have to like think about it and point almost. You guys have
Yeah.
to do that?
Yeah,
A
sometimes
lot
we'll
of my
sometimes we'll be going somewhere and I'll tell my wife to go to the left and then I'll say, yeah, the other left.
It's funny, eh? It's odd. Oh.
You can always do the little L thing, right?
Mm-hmm. Not sure what that is, but oh, okay. You sending me a message?
Am I? No.
No, I think you have to put it over your head, on your forehead, to send me that message. Wow, this was a dead opening. Usually there's opportunity on the open, but no, there's no opportunity. Not much opportunity on this open. Hey, Alex M, how's the volume? Horrific. We're still not at 400,000. We're at 319,000, and the open passed already. 400,000 is the foundation, the baseline. You always want to see 400,000. It's 320 and it's like ticking at a snail's pace. I mean, look at that. I have a volume chart there. 738, 732, 727. There's really nothing.
No, kind of expected it.
Mm,
All the banks are closed. Everything's closed.
yep. All in honor of Trump, eh? Amazing.
Well, President's Day.
No, well, he's the president. He has his day. Today's his day. There's Mother's Day. There's Father's Day. Today's President's Day. Did you get him a present?
Yeah, I got him a whole list. Now I can go start taking care of it. Did you get him a present?
I did. A gold pen. It says Futures Floor and Omnius trades on it. Squeezing my butt cheeks, Omnius, just letting you know.
What are you even trading?
I am squeezing my butt cheeks. I told you the half-second chart. I'm short.
Second chart.
I'm short at 60.
What are we going for? 1.5?
No, I'm short at 60. We're at 54 now. I'm trying to get 8 points. 53. There we go. Take 7. I got 7 points.
It's like a microscope and a point.
7 points. 8 points.
That's funny.
Whew. I was squeezing though, because with low volatility, you got to take larger size. And the thing is, you know what happens when you take larger size, eh? The market likes to punish you. And then it just like hits an air pocket and appears somewhere else 40 points against you.
The real question is, if today wasn't a holiday, would the market be crashing?
No.
No?
I do not expect a crash.
A lot of news out there.
Actually, what was the poll results? I said, do you expect a crash anytime soon? I think yes was in the lead, or no was in the lead. Wow, what a terrible streamer I am. I actually ask a poll and then I don't even check the results.
Yeah, I know another streamer that did the same thing.
I did, but I forgot. That's the thing.
Does anybody remember the poll?
Did anybody remember the poll results? There we go. Caught another short. Guys, you really should trade the half-second chart. There's a lot of opportunity.
Hourly chart still looks pretty bearish.
You know you're in trouble when the 1 second chart is your higher time frame.
Thought he said he wasn't trading anymore today.
Who?
Mike? He's a tradeaholic. The guy wakes up in the middle of the night and gets up to take a trade.
Hello, my name is Mike, and I'm a tradeaholic. Yeehaw! Starboy just wrote, yeehaw!
If he gets up at 3 a.m. to use the bathroom,
By 3 a.m. in 10 seconds, I found a trade.
he's like walking over that way, right? And his wife's like, Mike, back to bed. He's like, but just one.
Just one. I'm allowed to change my mind, even if I did say I wasn't taking a trade anymore, no?
I wouldn't doubt it if he wakes up in the middle of the night to go use the bathroom, right? And he's taking a dump and he's on his phone trading. I don't know. Do you trade on your phone?
No, I don't do anything on my phone. I hate phones. You know, my phone, it's been 13 or 14 months now that I've had a cell phone. That's it. I got it in December of 2024. Up until then, I never had a cell phone. I went the longest. I'm the last one on the planet to get a cell phone. All the cell phone companies wanted to use me in their commercials.
I told you to do something on the phone. You're like, but it's so small, I can't see anything. And it's like,
That's it. It's ridiculous.
and why can't I do it on the computer? Yeah, I don't know, man. You got to do it on the phone.
The only reason why I got a phone is because I knew I had to communicate with you. That would be the only way.
How's it working?
Omnius said the only way I'm going to let you communicate with me is if you do it through satellites. So I got a phone. I turn it off. You guys do that? You turn your phones off, like you power down? My phone is like powered down, I would say, about 70% of the time during the day.
I tried to, and then my wife gets on to me. Half time my phone don't work anyways. We got like a dead area or something.
What's the point of calling you if you're not going to answer? You're not going to call back?
Yeah, people keep calling me, and I'm like, I never got a call.
I don't know.
I'll be showing people my call history. I'm like, you never called me. I called you 3 times.
Ooh, nice entry. Short at 38. I'm short at 44. 6 points better. Whoa, this is a huge trade.
Guys, who's trading this? Lewis, you trading this? Skeletor? We know
8
you're
point
trading. You're a
stop
trader.
loss.
You're a tradeaholic.
Guys, 8 point stop loss, 14 point take profit, 73% probability. Are you kidding me? Mortgage your home on this one. Sold out. Covered at 20. Got 16 points. That had an 8 point stop loss, and it was 73% probability. It turned out to be a 2-to-1 with a 73% probability. Keep bringing that up.
Hey, the morning bot liked your trade too. Been getting killed the past few weeks.
This is what I want my boys to be trading, but they're not scalpers. They don't want to scalp.
But wake them up. Get them out of bed. Tell them it's time to trade, man.
No, they're here, but they don't want to scalp. They're busy with their ICT.
Oh, they're there?
I said, yeah, but you're waiting. It's Monday, and you won't have a trade till Wednesday. You can have another chart on the side, and you can scalp. It's like, it's easy money. It's
Lewis holding the short. Lewis, you go for those big trades, don't you?
holding. That's the hard part. That's holding is the hard part. Lewis, you got to teach us how to do that. Me and Omnius, we're not good holders. My wife complained, hold me, hold. I'm not good at holding.
You get that same thing, right?
I'm really not good at holding.
I'm really not good at holding.
I could scalp you, but I can't hold you.
You want to be scalped? No, I think you just got to get used to it. I'm so used to scalping 10, 15 points, and I got to where the trades generally go so fast. Being in a trade over a minute or two feels like torture.
How long did that one just last, the one I just took? What would you say? 8 seconds? 10? 15? I don't even know, but... And that was 16 points. I mean, how much more do you need?
I don't know, but... I didn't even know I was in. All mine said was exit.
Wow, and you know what the crazy thing is? There hasn't been any losers yet. Since the morning.
Don't jinx it.
There haven't been big winners. Well, big winners. Remember, I just go for... Oh, this is going to be confusing if I say it. I go for 1R.
What time frame, Lewis? 5 minute? I'm assuming.
Oh, shit. I wanted to get in on that.
Lewis said no green candles on the way down. No reason to get out.
No opportunity. What time frame does he use?
1 minute? Oh, wow.
Oh, 1 minute? Oh, yeah. When I'm looking at the 1 minute chart, let's take a look at the 1 minute chart.
No green candles?
Heiken SE, maybe?
I don't know.
Because on the Heiken SE 2 minute, you haven't had a green candle since 9 o'clock. And they're accelerating. The candles are getting bigger.
He said correct. Recto mundo.
He said rectum?
Where do you get wrecked?
That's what I heard you say.
Yeah.
You said he said correctum.
At some point.
You said he said colorectum.
Listen, I just want to say there was some guy on the stream last night, and like I was talking to the guy for a little bit, and the guy just come out of nowhere, and he's like, "Are you guys transgender?"
No, we didn't.
Yeah, I'm telling you. I was like, he must be talking about Mike. I don't know. I just quit talking to the guy. Like, what the fuck kind of question is that? Like, where do these people come up with this shit?
Yeah. It's personal. It's private.
Mike don't want to tell you if he's transgender.
Well, I would have said, buddy, I don't even know what that means, so I think there's your answer. And I'm serious. I'm not even sure I know what that means.
I'm just like, somebody coming off with questions like that, I'm out.
Hey, what you should have said is, hey, this isn't Patrick Whelan's stream, huh?
Yeah, right? Like, hey, how's you guys trading doing today? Hey, what's those lines on your chart? Oh, that's the EMA. Huh, everything. Oh, yeah, you guys transgender?
Hey, what's that wig I see in the background?
Like, I just start backing up slowly. Like, my mom's calling. I gotta go.
Yeah. Lock the doors. Back up the truck.
Like, babe, grab the gun. Grab the gun. Like, look, that's your own personal life. Keep it in your own damn life. Don't.
Yeah.
The reason they call it in the closet.
I don't know why you asking. My answer depends on why you're asking.
What?
On what your intentions
No.
are.
The answer's no. Answer's like, get the fuck away from me. Like, whatever you are or aren't, I don't care as long as you do it at your house.
No, that wasn't what I was talking about. There's been, unfortunately, a spike in violent events.
By who? I mean, you could say that about any group of people.
We just had one in BC, and no, you really? Yeah.
Name one group you can't say it about.
The Oriental. Give me a whole bunch of mass shootings in the U.S. and Canada that have been taking place by Orientals. There you go.
I'm trying to think. Is that like Asian people or?
Yeah, Asians. Yeah, women. Give me women.
Women.
Well, don't give me. You remember, it's like the markets, eh? Don't give me a one of. There's always exceptions. You know, volatility spikes in the morning, but right now someone can say, "Hey, how about February 16th? There was no volatility." Yeah, there are always exceptions, but you know what I mean. In general, the trend.
I feel like women have done their share of crazy shit. Come on now.
Yeah, but the current trend is.
I think women was the bad example. Asian people, Oriental, whatever you want to call them, that was probably a good example. But women, I don't know about that.
Well, either I listen to too much Fox News, or the trend seems to be leaning towards.
Well, of course, if you're listening to Fox News,
a new group of mass shooters.
Oh God, mass shooters.
A new disgruntled group.
Anytime somebody says mass shooters, I'm just like, fucking idiots. Like your statistics.
Hey! I just said it.
Your statistics on mass shootings is so freaking stupid.
I don't keep statistics on mass shootings. Who keeps statistics? I'm not a mass shooting statistician.
You have more of a chance of going outside, getting in your car, and driving down the road and crashing into a tree and dying.
Of course.
Like,
I wasn't talking about that. I was just talking about the people who are doing it lately.
They pump all this fear on mass shootings, and it's like it's not as much as you would think it is.
I don't know. It seems pretty bad in the U.S. It really does.
think it seems bad until you look at the numbers. When you compare those numbers against other numbers, and it's like, this is what you're worried about?
Yeah. I mean, I you know, we hear the word. What are we hearing to do? We hear in the news over here how many homicides there are in the U.S., you know, like on a daily basis, and then we compare it to Canada. But then again, we have 1/10 the population of you. So, you know, we hear, oh, we only had 7 and you had 90. Well, it's not that bad. I mean, you do have 10 times as many people.
Yeah.
You know,
That's where
you guys are all shoulder to shoulder there in Walmart. The guy doesn't shower, you're pissed, he smells.
Yeah. I don't know, like we was talking before, the population really hasn't grown that much though. Like it was 300 million like years ago.
Yeah, I'm really surprised. Anyways, change the subject. It's a depressing subject all around, and I don't want to talk about it.
Lewis says, first green candle. Is that your exit, Lewis? Sir.
70, 80 points. Yeah, you almost give back from the bottom. You give back like half. The range of the morning is 80 points, and now we're up 40 points off that. Or, 30, 40 points off that low. That's the thing about the big moves.
I was thinking of an example. You remember years ago when they had like the, what would you call it? Like the Cold War, the Soviet missile crisis and all that. And they used to teach the kids in school to get under your desk and put your hands over your head. And it's like,
oh my God, who came up with that?
Like day after day, they're having these drills. Get under your desk, put your head up under, protect your head. Like, you think that's going to protect you against a nuclear missile? Come on, man. It's all mass control, man. It's all about fear.
Yeah. The guy will be on the news. I don't know what happened. I was the only survivor. It was this nuclear bomb that went off about 20 miles away. Everyone vaporized except for me because I had my hands over my head.
Yeah, right.
But I told them. I said, get your hands over the head. No, they didn't listen. They said I was stupid. I'm pissed. They're gone. The only problem is now I'm afraid to put my hands down. I've been walking around like this since it happened.
Yeah, right. Only thing gonna survive is the roaches. Yep.
Today doesn't count as a trading day, I think.
Today is not a trading day. Today is tomorrow.
A couple of people. I got a couple of emails that.
Sound like you said P-mails.
No, there's no such thing as a P-mail. But I got a couple of emails that said that today doesn't count as a trading day. But I never pay attention if that's.
Nope. Today is tomorrow.
Forex or today is tomorrow.
Today is tomorrow. I was looking at my trading view chart. It don't even changes the background for the New York session.
Mm-hmm.
It's not even giving me the background. Come on, man. It's not trading day.
If today is tomorrow,
mm-hmm.
then does that imply that tomorrow is today?
Tomorrow is today tomorrow.
Well, if today is tomorrow, then tomorrow has to be today. If today equals tomorrow, tomorrow equals today. If we were Beavis and Butthead, who would be Butthead? Is that an easy answer?
I don't know, but if we were Ren and Stimpy, you'd be Ren. I'd be Rand, you're not happy. Come on, man. Sing the happy song.
I'm always happy. Most of the time. Some of the time. Tomorrow comes today. We're all a bunch of philosophers. We're all a bunch of philosophers. Philosophers.
Anybody
Hard
take
word to say.
the loan?
Nope.
Did have a failed
I didn't
breakout
get
of the
it. Can you
open
believe it?
range. We also had a 5-minute hammer candle.
Can you believe it? I didn't get a long. Look, I'm looking everywhere. Nothing. Maybe on the 15-second, but I'm not on it anymore. 15-second. Yeah, could have gotten along the first one over here, but it would have been a B- entry. Wouldn't have been a good entry. We didn't get the retrace. We just shot straight up off the low.
Yeah, that's another thing.
And
that much of a push down, generally the first one fails.
Oh, look at that candle on the 5-minute chart. You like those candlesticks?
Mm-hmm.
What do you call them again? Tent spikes?
What?
Tent spike? A tent spike on the 5-minute chart?
What are you talking about?
That candle.
What candle?
The hammer. On the 5-minute chart.
Called a hammer. What do you call it?
A tent spike.
I don't know what
You
that
know, like
is.
when you put up a tent, you got to put a spike in the ground.
I heard a pitch in a tent, yeah.
Yeah, and then you put spikes in the corners so the tent doesn't blow away in the wind. You nail it into the ground. They have these little grommets, metal little grommets or grollets or whatever they're called. You can put. Have you ever gone camping?
Try not to.
Wait. That doesn't matter. That's the wrong question. Have you ever pitched a tent when you've gone camping? That's more important.
Try not to.
Stempy.
I know what you're talking about. I just never heard anybody refer to a hammer candle as pitching a tent.
Yeah. Well, you know what? Markets aren't doing much today. I'm using my imagination.
I thought that was something you learned at Traders Anonymous or something.
If ICT can rename everything, so can I.
He said tent spike.
A tent spike, yeah. I looked at the broadcast to see if you were laughing. I don't know. I got something weird here. On the 15-second, we're not breaking the U.S. session highs. Neither on the 1 minute, but on one of the charts on the 1,000, we are. How is that even possible? On the 1,000 volume chart. Isn't that crazy? This is the 1,000 volume chart. Oops, wrong. Look, F2. What's going on? Oh, it's F6, sorry. Oh, no, okay, it was an illusion. One of those funny things. Wow, I really thought we were breaking it on the... it didn't make sense. Well, the 15-minute retest trade, I saw a couple of trade by Matt's video. He's been getting hammered in it. He enters as soon as it touches, eh? Like, he doesn't wait for any...
I didn't know he did the 15-minute retest.
Yeah, I don't know. I just saw a video. He showed that he lost 4,800 in it, and in like a few seconds, it just went right through it, and looks like it did it again today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And you did have a solid break. I mean, this is the 1 minute chart I'm looking at. We closed below. We got a full candle below. The 15-minute range is this box here. Full candle below. And then we retested it. Just poof, just went right through it.
I always think the ORB retest, I think it's better when you have like a support or a resistance at the same spot. You know, sometimes pre-market you'll have it like come down to a level and then push back up. And then the 15-minute will break at the same spot. So then you have that confluence. You have the 15-minute retest, and then you have the support or resistance there to hold it.
But with all that being said, maybe he doesn't trade it anymore. No one's here to say that that wasn't an old video I saw. Guys, I don't know what happened. I'm really caught sleeping here. Holy shit, it's on the wrong chart.
Seen another video over the weekend, guy talking about doing the ORB trade, how it never loses and how you make so much money and you're gonna be super rich.
Yeah, Mike Trends or something. Yeah, something like that.
I don't see it, man. I don't see it. I think
no, he's got something called dynamic money management, if we're talking about the same guy. Sorry, we missed this long trade over here, guys.
There's probably a few of them.
I applied the strat to the wrong chart. Yeah, dynamic money. He adds. So on the day when you add and you add and you add and you add, and then eventually it goes through the other side. Remember, it's very similar to yours. His stop is all the way on the other side. It's massive compared to the TP.
Remember,
and he's adding.
What my bot originally was the open range.
Yeah.
I couldn't find any consistency in it.
And he's adding. Could you imagine the day when you're adding and you're adding 2, 3, 4 times and it goes all the way through to the other side? What'd you give up? 3 months of profits? 3 months of winning days? So it doesn't matter that every 3 months you only have one loser. You notice he doesn't talk about how much money it makes. He only talks about, at least the guy I see, he only talks about the accuracy rate.
Yeah, the one that I seen, everybody in the comment was like, well, first you didn't tell people where to put their stop loss. Then it's like, you don't talk about any of the other stuff. And then my first thought was he's pointing out a TradingView bot. Like, why are you showing it on TradingView? TradingView, I think, it's nice for programming strategies, but it's not as accurate as what you'd get with like a NinjaTrader. So if it works so great, why wouldn't you have it on NinjaTrader? I don't know, maybe one day I'll relook at it. I got the bot. I mean, it is putting it on the chart, but every time I've looked at it, I've found no consistency.
Yeah. Yeah, someone asked me overnight what my win rate was on the strat I'm running up there. And I haven't even compiled that data yet. Not even there yet. I do know it keeps putting up green days most of the time. And I'm studying it. I'm watching how to make it better. Maybe how to tighten up the stops, but watching one day is not enough. You need a lot of screen time to see how it's performing. And again, I don't like to do it on market replay. I like to do it on forward tests on live because for me, that's reality at the moment that I see it.
Also on my bot, generally, when it takes a big loss, it generally takes between 5 and 10 days to come back into profit. I think lately it's been going through a drawdown period, which I was kind of expecting anyways. But even with that, it's took like the past 3 weeks in a row. It's still at almost a 90% win rate and almost a 2% profit factor. So even with all that, it's still really profitable. So that's where you trade evals or prop firms, and if you blow it, okay, well, that's why you have more backline and keep going. I think I'd have to recalibrate it though. I've been talking about that because
what does that mean? I asked you about that last time. I mean, I made a stupid joke, but honestly, what does that mean?
I had different settings last year.
Oh, so up.
Yeah,
that's an optimization.
Right.
Okay.
But I'm interested to see if the same settings that work from March to November I'm interested to see if those same settings will work again.
Mm.
Which is really about the same settings. It's just shifting the time frame a little bit. So essentially what the market's doing is, instead of getting that huge move right from the gate, it's kind of chopping a little bit and then giving the move a few minutes later. So it's really just studying the market and seeing when you're expecting that move to be more consistent. Even on the low volatility, I took 2 wins today.
Yep.
Actually 3, because that one was a double win.
Yeah. In a day, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 winners for me.
I got 3 on the morning bot, 1 manual, 4 winners for the day.
What I was saying before is they haven't really gone much farther than my take profit. They haven't, continued to run and make me feel bad. But nonetheless, it's been a good day.
Yeah, Lewis. Today. I think a day like today, you just be happy with whatever you get.
Lewis, did you type in giveaway?
He did.
Anybody else on your stream? I'll add to the list manually.
Lewis did it on the other stream. Skeletor put good morning, but he didn't put giveaway.
Skeletor doesn't have to. Jay North clips. James,
Lewis did it so early, he was on the other stream. It was like 8 o'clock.
James, it's for our Bullinox account. You don't want to be part of the giveaway? And Jay North clips and Bangs. You're all hanging around, but Mikey's there, but Mike A, which sounds like Mikey.
Mike A.
Mike A, KU5BK.
Lewis giveaway game, just in case.
Yeah.
Hold on.
There you go, James. Sorry, busy at work. No problem, Scally. You don't even have to type it in.
I got you, Lewis. Hold on a second. I'd spam Mike's chat, but I don't have it on my computer right now. Mike, we got Lewis in like 10 times, okay?
10 times. There should be a bonus for someone who writes it 10 times. Good, and you? I'm good. It's a good day today.
It is a good day.
Yeah. It was Valentine's weekend. It was also Friday the 13th.
Yeah, Friday the 13th, Valentine's, President's Day.
Yeah. That's a funny combination, eh?
What you got your wife for Valentine's Day?
We didn't do anything. We had a quiet.
What? Because I reheard one of the streams when you was telling you was promising her flowers or something.
Yeah. Don't get me in trouble. No, I remember what you heard. What you heard is I don't like to do it on days that we're forced to do it on.
I agree. I totally agree.
Oh my God, it was on Friday, eh, James? Yeah. Wow, no kidding. Yeah, I like to do stuff like that just out of the blue. Which I do. Not every month, but I definitely do.
Yeah, it kind of takes the purpose of it away, doesn't it?
It does. I mean, I find it phony when you're forced to do it. Someone puts you a gun to your head and says, tell your wife you love her. I mean, really? I won't leave the house next year.
Then you get on social media and everybody's like showing pictures. Like, oh, you got flowers. Weren't y'all just saying how much y'all hated each other like 2 days ago? But post your flowers. Go ahead.
Well, yeah, we argue as couples.
Well, I mean, everybody argues, right?
That's it. It doesn't interfere with the love you have for your partner. I get mad at my children. It doesn't mean I don't love them.
Mine's got those hoverboards. Have you seen those?
Your wife or your kids?
My wife better keep her ass off the damn hoverboards.
I was pretty impressed.
Nah, the kids.
Okay.
But they insist on like riding them around the house, in the house. Yeah. They're worse than the freaking dogs, man. They're like flying through the house on these hoverboards. I mean, on one side, it's kind of impressive. On the other side, the girl keeps like running into the wall.
Yeah.
Like, stop running into the damn wall.
But Dad, that's what it says in the book, how you stop.
Yeah. Back to the Future hoverboard. Like, you have the trim at the bottom of the wall. She thinks that's like bumpers.
Yeah, no, that's the brakes.
Yeah, that's there. They put it there for bumpers, Dad. Come on.
Besides, they're easy to change. You just go in there with a crowbar.
You're not helping matters.
Over it.
When she destroys the baseboards around the entire house, I'm going to send you over to fix them.
20 minutes. You can do a house in 20 minutes. And that includes plastering and painting.
What kind of drugs are you on?
I'm just hoping your daughter's listening so she can argue with you and say, but Dad, he said it's only 20 minutes. What are you complaining about? She's going to believe me.
I'll force her and her brother to do it.
Because there's no reason for me to lie. I'm telling the truth.
Coming back in the open range? Coming off of the Globex Open and the moving average bands. So do we come back down? Oh, and a pivot point. Yeah, a lot of confluence right there.
I don't have the prior days.
I say on a day like today, if you're green, be happy with the green.
Yeah.
If you're red, it's not really a very good day to make it back. So
no. I hit target on just one account.
Wherever you're at for the day, be happy with it.
Yep. No heroics today, and I'm not really actively looking for trades anymore. The volume hasn't moved much. It's 418,000. I think it was, 380 like an hour ago? There's no volume coming into the market. If you don't have orders coming into the market, it's hard to push price. I mean, I'm even impressed that we just bounced 100 points, 110 points off the low. That's pretty impressive. What's the day's range so far? What's actually the entire session range? Not bad.
From low to high, 105 points?
No, session, since the Globex Open.
I'm talking about.
No, we hit 922 at 5 in the morning. session since the 5 p.m. open yesterday.
Oh, you're talking about for the whole day.
Yeah. Since the Globex
Well, session
opened.
would be like the New York session.
Well, no, that would be the New York session.
So you said it in the name.
Yeah, no, you got to throw New York. You got to put New York. There's the New York session.
He's
There's
like the session. No, that would be session.
There's
You
the
said
London
it in the
session.
name.
I said the entire session. The entire session includes all of them. London, Asia, overnight, New York. But anyways,
All right,
300 points. No, 200 points.
230.
Yeah, 200. 230, yeah, in that range.
Skeletor, I'm happy with my $8 profit. I mean, on a day like today, a normal day would be like, hey, jump back in the ring, but today, be happy with it.
Okay, so you want to run a quick couple of qualifiers, and then we'll call it quits.
Do you think we get this short, though? I think this short would work out.
Somebody took a trade. There we go. We're short. What did you say about the short?
I do think the short will work out.
Yeah, the just went short over here, and I got the alert. Doo-doo, like a little doorbell ringing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll watch it.
The 1 minute and the 2600, you could have just sold and bought the Hakanashi candles.
Yeah. In the meantime, I'll slowly set up.
I have to keep an eye on another low volume day.
Omnius, what are you in mood to play? My feet hurt. I can't help you on that.
What? Dude, was you just saying like 3 different thoughts at the same time?
It might have been 4.
My feet? Whose feet hurt?
Somebody's feet hurt. No skills. I love the name though, because it's a play on words. No skills. My feet hurt, guys. Well, that's from trampling on all the losers and taking all their money, probably, right? No skills? No skills. If you want to be in the qualifier, type in giveaway ? Hurry up. We're playing soon.
Where do you see no skills?
Yeah, why don't you put it on live chat, maybe? You're probably on no live chat. You're probably not on live chat.
Look,
On your stream. On your stream. Go on your stream and put it on live chat.
My stream is on live chat.
There you go. So you don't see him. He just wrote.
That's your stream.
He just wrote, give it my feet hurt. Yeah, you're right.
I told you I'm having issues with the browser.
You're having issues. No, just stop it there. I'm having issues. You don't have to go far. You don't have to go any further than that. I'm having issues.
Well, I'm always having issues.
Oh, so you're not going to get to watch the video
What video?
of our new sponsor. Oh, that's sad.
I can watch it over here.
You just, how? What's over here mean? Explain.
Guys, just try to be patient with them.
You just said you can't watch you don't know what's going on my thing because you can't open it up.
On your chat. It's on the laptop. Been talking about it all day.
The laptop that you can't open because it says no permission.
The laptop's open. The browser won't work.
So how are you going to watch my stream and see our new sponsor if you can't go onto the browser and go onto my stream? What am I missing? What step am I missing?
Somebody please tell Mike what it is that I use to trade on and stream on every single day.
Cell phone?
Is it A, a couch, B, a shoe, or C, a computer?
The computer has your stream and your charts, not my stream. No skills. Help me out here. Take my side. I feel like I'm losing this argument really quickly. My ship is sinking. You're in. Don't worry. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, that's what's going on. Streamer bot's not open. So what do you want to play? No skills. What do you want to play? Last man standing or What's the other one? Oh, lead the field. Anyways, I'm not opening up StreamerBot. I don't need it. Goodbye, StreamerBot. Later? You're leaving? He's leaving.
Guess you didn't play the game fast enough.
He doesn't want to tell me which one he wants to play.
All right, I got your stream open.
Very good. So since no, the second choice, lead the field. Oh, okay. Lead the field is already set up. Perfect. I don't have to do anything.
Did you play your sponsor video?
Not yet. First, I got to set up the game. The game is set up. Now I got to put on the cameras.
Did you play the sub of the week video?
I did. Absolutely. Same time you did. We'll play it again. Hold on. My shitty cameras. Once again. Oh, I know why it's not working. Because I haven't done this. You should always remind me when I say my camera's not working that I have to do this.
I got 100 things I got to remember on my own thing.
In Discord. I look stretched. Last man standing. Former versus the latter. Former versus the latter. Latter. You said the second choice. The second choice was last man standing. Oh no, it was lead the field. But anyways, yeah. The background's wrong. I don't feel like changing the background. It's lead the field. You go into the take profit pit. You get points. Hey, just to let you guys know. Just to let you guys know. Where do we go here? Boom, 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 boom.
That short was working out pretty nice, huh?
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't show. Oh, I gotta move this over here. The short worked out very nice. Let me just move the chart over. There we go. There's the short trade. Worked out very good. Okay, so you know what I'm gonna do first? Well, we got a lot of cameras there. I don't need them.
He's up. Mikey, short is working for me. Just hit 1-to-1 and break even. Sweet.
Okay, guys. Mikey.
I love it when you have that much confluence on something. Once again, we had the failed break out of the open range, coming back into the open range. We had the Globex open, we had a pivot point, and we had the EMAs.
Do you have any volume on your stream showing the new sponsor of the week, or it's going to be volumeless? I don't know if you can do that, with the volume.
I could turn the computer on. I don't know if it works or not. Just when you talk, it echoes. All right, go. Just when you talk, it echoes.
Okay, guys, we got to pay our bills, so we got a new sponsor. Guys, give it up for Mikey. Guys, we got to pay our bills. Him this weekend, and he was willing to throw in some free product for everybody. Free product for everybody.
I decide that I want to go to an all-you-can-eat buffet that has crab legs. So we're there, y'all. I am not exaggerating. I ate at least 6 pounds of crab legs. Got fucking juice all over my arm, looking like a straight fucking barbarian, right? We go back to the hotel, and we decide we want to have a little adult time. And he is eating my cat. So sometimes when I do this, there are waterworks if you do it correctly. Oh, it was waterworks, but it wasn't coming from my cat. So I'm laid back on my back, and the next thing I hear is, what the fuck is that smell? Y'all, I rose up from the fucking dead. I was on my back, and I was like, what? He pulls back. There is shit all in his beard. And this man had a full fucking beard, and there was shit in his beard.
Come on, admit it. We've all been there, right? When the market feeds you absolute crap, stops get rammed down your throat, and your P&L smells like shit stuck in your beard. Don't just sit there and swallow it. Rinse out your mouth and clean up your beard with Mikey's Magic Mouthwash. Because the market might be filthy, but your face shouldn't stink like shit. Now let's play some games.
What did she say?
There might could have been a slight warning on that, considering it's a holiday and everybody has kids at home.
I forgot to tell you guys. Yeah, maybe if there's kids around, you might want to make an adjustment. Okay. So give it up for our sponsor. You guys can visit MikeysMagicMouthwash.net. Use code Mikey and get a discount for those days when your beard smells like what? Omnius?
I'm staying out of that one.
Because I don't know. I don't have a beard, so like that never can. That, you know.
Too late for the disclaimer. Yeah. All the kids are looking at their parents. Dad?
Who's eating cats? What kind of crazy lady is this?
My kids are home. I don't know if they're watching the stream or playing video games.
Yeah, well, she kept it clean. That's what matters. I'll probably get a copyright strike, but it was worth it.
You play the sub of the week?
I did already, but I'll play it again. Guys, we have a new sub of the week who finally takes it over from Miss K, who hasn't been replaced for quite a while because I just was too lazy to make another meme. But give it up for this week's sub of the week, Luis.
Shout out to Luis, Gator the Malinois, our sub of the week. Not only does he call the markets like a pro, helps fix phantom order bugs in NinjaTrader, and wins eval accounts, making him an absolute legend, this one's for you, Luis. Glad to have you a part of the Omnius Trades and Futures Floor New York Open live stream. Shout out to Luis, Gator the Malinois, our sub of the week. Not only does he call the markets like a pro,
sub of the week gets an extra ball. Luis, number 2 for sub of the week. Okay, save and apply. Let's look who we got. If I'm missing you, let me know, because if you don't let me know, then don't complain later. Thanks for the extra balls. Do you need them? Miss K, Mikey, Mr. Knife Art, SP King, Starboy, Luis, Skelly, James G, Hamza, No Skills, and Luis 2. Save and apply. For you new guys who don't know how this works, take profit. You fall into the take profit pit, you get points. You fall into the stop loss pit, you lose points.
All right,
games are 2 minutes.
You give me a minute.
There he goes again. There he's running away. Say, cameras aren't even on. You didn't even tell me that. Boom and boom. There we go. You fall into the stop loss pit. You lose points. If there's a tie at the end of the game, then we go into an overtime period. The whole period has to be played out. And if there is a winner at the end of the overtime period, then that's the winner. That's the qualifier. These are qualifying games. The finals, this is for a Bullinox account. A Bullinox 50K account, and that'll be done on Friday. This is a qualifier. Let's get that up also. We don't want to have any confusion. Text. There we go. Qualifier. And there's supposed to be another text also. Is this the one? Nope. This the one? Nope. This the one? Nope. This the one? Yes, it is. Properties. Just got to change it for the week. Bear with me. Always so much setup. There we go. Qualifier. Bring it down just a little bit. So it's not last man standing. It's lead the field. There isn't going to be a last man standing. If you fall into the stop out pits and lose points, you get shot back out of the cannon. Don't need to worry about that. Omnius is back.
Is he really?
I think
mentally or physically?
Both. I think we're ready to go.
How do you give me a
Apply
drink?
settings.
It's leaking though.
What did you write? No account this week, right? Oh, yeah, it's Bullinox. Jishan! Oh, you made it just in time, Jishan.
SB King, he can get Bullinox, right? Or no?
No, he can't. I don't think so. I'm not sure. Jishan, did you see the sponsor of the week? Miss K, did you just join? Oh, we got to play the sponsor again. No, I mean, if Jishan and Miss K missed it, we got to play it again, right?
Oh, God.
Don't
As
you
long
guys
as
agree?
long as there's a disclaimer.
There's a disclaimer, guys.
I wouldn't say nothing on any other day, but like
I don't know what kind of disclaimer.
Like this
Roll
day
it.
needs an extra disclaimer.
And there's no disclaimer.
Okay.
Roll it. Miss K says roll it. K says roll it.
I decide that I want to go to an all-you-can-eat buffet that has crab legs. So we're there, y'all. I am not exaggerating. I ate at least 6 pounds of crab legs. Got fucking juice all over my arm, looking like a straight fucking barbarian, right? We go back to the hotel, and we decide we want to have a little adult
What's he
time.
doing?
And he is
What's he doing?
eating my cat. So sometimes when I do this, there are waterworks if you do it correctly. Oh, it was waterworks, but it wasn't coming from my cat. So I'm laid back on my back, and the next thing I hear is, what the fuck is that smell? Y'all, I rose up from the fucking dead. I was on my back, and I was like, what? He pulls back. There is shit all in his beard. And this man had a full fucking beard, and there was shit in his beard.
Come on, admit it. We've all been there, right? When the market feeds you absolute crap, stops get rammed down your throat, and your P&L smells like shit stuck in your beard. Don't just sit there and swallow it. Rinse out your mouth and clean up your beard with Mikey's Magic Mouthwash. Because the market might be filthy, but your face shouldn't stink like shit.
So now you
let's
understand
play
why
some
I'm
games.
always telling Omnius to shave his beard, right? Just in case. You never know. That's all I'm saying.
All I'm
just
saying
visit
is, I know I've never had that issue. And I feel like if you find yourself in that situation, maybe you're doing something a little wrong. I don't know. Or
So
right.
guys,
Either way, it could be wrong, could be right. Who knows? Either
Could be
way.
right, could be wrong. Go to Mikey'sMagicMouthwash.net and use code Mikey. Maybe you can get 2 bottles for the price of 1. Let's get the games going. Let me just check again. We got to get Jishan in there.
Lewis, I think you guys have checked out the market.
Jishan. There we go. Aren't we having more fun than trading? That's what all matters. Anybody else came in quickly?
Hopefully
No
nobody
mistake?
has kids sitting next to them watching the market today.
We're good. Ready to go? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Omnius? Oh, wait. He's zip fizzing.
Zip fizzing, man. Come on, man.
He's zip fizzing.
Golly. Still crying from laughing so hard.
Qualifier for Friday's 50K Bullinox account. And if SP King wins, we'll rerun it. because SP King can't get an account, unfortunately, from Bull and Ox, and we don't have replacements. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I mean, we could always find something else to do for him. Maybe,
Yeah,
maybe we'll bring him on the stream for half an hour if he wins.
if he wants to. Who's in the lead? Mr. Knife Art leading the pack with 5 points. SP King with 2. Starboy with 2. SP King still has 5 points. I heard take it over. James G with 10. Let's go Omnius.
We got James G in the lead, 10 points. You got to slow down? Or they get 1 point, 2 points?
Yeah, less points. I slowed it down.
We got Starboy, second place. James G, third place. Starboy taking the lead. Go Starboy.
Who's in second place?
I don't know. James G?
You're so mean, Mr. Knife Art. He loves to hear his name. Come on.
Reminds me of that time when Ron Paul ran for president and they did the polls and they're like, so-and-so's in second. So-and-so's in third, right behind. It's like, okay, well, who's in first? SP King, number 5. Miss K, number 6. Skelly, number 7. Say my name. Say my name.
Say my name. Say my name.
Starboy is still in the lead. Miss K up to number 2. Oh, wow. That was a big jump. Get it, Miss K?
Whoa. Miss K, you need 1 ball. Oh, not anymore.
Lewis, number 8 and number 11.
Miss K just went into the pit. I just saw it. So she's got to be up there with a 19. Where is she? James is floating. Oh, James just got knocked by Skelly into the pit, into the stop-out pit. Starboy takes it with a big 31 points.
Story of my life. 1 ball short. Huh.
Who?
Miss K.
No. Nah, you needed a 10. 3. That was 3.
Winners from the bottom up, right? I don't know. That's a good question. Mike, the winners from the bottom up, right?
Oh my God, Luis 2 with -4. Hamza with 0. Whew. Yeah, you guys couldn't find the pit.
The question is, if you inversed it, would the same people win?
Yeah. Okay.
Golf scoring? What's that mean?
Golf scoring. The lower, the better.
Okay, there you go. I guess everybody just figured out I don't play golf, huh?
Starboy. Wow.
We did play putt-putt a few weeks ago. Turns out I'm still terrible.
Okay, let's switch it up a little bit. It's a little unfair. But we're going to use fire. Ready to go, Omnius? Oh, let me change the speed a little bit. Where is it?
Nightbot, smash the like button. Guys, if you haven't already, smash the like button.
And let's get rid of the pegs. No interference. You guys are all on your own.
Mikey says he's going to live in the take profit pit.
There you go. You got 1 peg to cause you problems. All you guys just bash around in the mosh pit. Have a good time. And we'll fire. Fire gives an unfair advantage to the first few people. I can't do fire. It's just not right.
And it's random.
Yeah, it's not. No, but you do fire with this many players. The last player's not out, and the first player could have already scored. You know.
Still
the
random.
Last player's not even out. Oh, you are right. You are right. The first player out is.
Everything is random.
Choice. It is true. Lewis, you're doing better on this game.
Who's number 1?
Right now?
No skills? Okay.
No skills, yeah. Mr. Knife Art coming up. Ty.
Drink's leaking.
Miss K with a 9. Skelly with a 10. No Skills doing good. No Skills going back in the pit. Oh, he gets a bump, but he falls back in the pit anyways. Mr. Knife Art trying to keep up with 17. No Skills just scores again. And No Skills is falling into the pit again. Scores again. No Skills just gets a nice bump. No Skills gets double bumped. I'm watching No Skills to see how he's doing. James G's trying to catch up.
Yeah, James G just shortly behind. Lewis shortly behind
No
that.
Skills gets a friendly bump by Starboy and gets knocked back into the pit.
Miss K at
No Skills
14.
No Skills is floating around on the bottom left side. I lost him. James G 23. James G just got some quick points there. No Skills not extending his lead. James G, you have an opportunity, but you're also just floating around in nowhere land. Oh, no, James G, you just got some points. If you get a good bounce or you get a bump, you might have a chance. Oh, James G, you made it. You can catch. Oh, No Skills got one.
5, 4, 3. Oh, it's close. 2, 1. No Skills. James
No
G.
Skills.
Oh, just barely.
Yeah, hey, it's true. James G, you needed one dunk. 48. You're right. Good game, guys. Skimmed the surface of the take profit by like one. I'm not sure, Mikey. I think it was more like 1.3.
Where'd Mikey come in? Mikey, number 8.
Lucky, but. No Skills. You know this is just the qualifier for Friday's final, right? Just to explain, you got qualifier there on both screens. So we run 3 qualifiers on Monday and on Tuesday and on Wednesday and on Thursday. And then we have 12 finalists and we give the account to the winner on Friday. Let's close it without making it look obvious. Save.
But as we get more people and we grow the stream and you share the stream and bring more people in, we can do more giveaways. And hopefully we'll be able to do 2 a week or 3 a week.
And if you guys order a lot of Mikey's Magic Mouthwash, maybe he'll increase the discount tomorrow. Just saying. Just saying. Maybe you can get 3 bottles for the price of 1 instead of 2. All depends on how often you need it, you know, how often this happens. Burst, you ready on this?
Do it.
Okay. It's hard for me too. I'm stapling my lips. This one's all on you. Got it? Because sometimes I have a hard time.
Go.
Ready to go?
Let's do it.
3.
I'm not a very good auctioneer. What you call it?
You're all on your own.
Lewis in the pit, 5 points. No Skills, -3. Lewis went down to 2.
My hands are over my head. I can survive a nuclear blast.
But can you survive what happened? Can you survive what happened to that one guy?
I'm in position. Go.
The video reminds me of the you remember the old one, 2 Girls, 1 Cup? You ever seen that one?
No.
Oh God. You're gonna have to Google it now.
Yeah. Miss K, you just went into the pit and you only have 2 points. Now you have 7. There you go.
Wife
Who's
does
leading?
not eat crab.
No Skills. Wow.
James G doesn't have that problem. His wife does not eat crabs.
Mm-hmm.
What
And
about,
oh no,
what
he
about
does have a
Taco
beard.
Bell?
Oh, good job. No Skills. Taco Bell. Is that the same thing? Does it do the same thing? Boom,
Well-
boom.
Well, you know why Taco Bell doesn't have a playground, right?
No, I don't.
It's hard to play at the playground and you about to shit yourself.
No Skills. You can qualify more than once, just in case we didn't say that. So you're pretty close. You're pretty close, but there's 30 seconds, and SP King is extending his lead.
Taking the lead.
SP King, another one. SP King is finding the pit. 850. No one is going to catch up to SP King. He's just getting all the good bounces.
7, 6, 5, 4.
And
Come
he
on,
fell in
guys.
the pit
3,
again. 60.
2, 1. SP King.
That is the high score of the day, I think, with 60. Okay, we run it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Burst.
You still put SP King in now. He still wants to be part of the game, too.
We'll figure something out, but for now, we don't have a solution. We'll have to work on him with a solution.
Like I said, if he wins the thing on Friday, we'll bring him on the stream for half an hour, an hour.
Okay, I'll put him in the qualifier. Who says he wants to come in and talk to us?
We'll sing him a happy song or something. We'll figure something out.
We'll figure something out. How about if he wins, he gets a bottle of Magic Mouth. Mikey's going to send him a bottle of Magic Mouthwash on the house. I think that's the least he can do, is being the sponsor of the week. James G with a pretty sizable lead at 25. James G's floating back into the pit.
We certainly want everyone to be a part of the game and enjoy the game, so.
Was getting deflected, but he got redeflected. He got double deflected. James G, no, I was going to say, if you're lucky, you'll hit the pit again, but. And once again, you're in a good float mode, but no, another bump. Not only does Skelly bump you, but he bumps you into the take profit pit. Is he catching up? We got Mikey, we got Hamza. James G back in the stop out pit. James G, you're beating yourself. You're beating yourself, but you just got another 5 points. Lewis goes in for 5 points, but then Lewis loses 2 points. Or I don't know what it is. 3 points. 18 seconds. No one looks close enough to catch up. James G just goes back into take profit part. Pit. And again, he's pretty much solidified the win. And he goes Lewis in again. He's
Lewis at number 2. Ooh, it'd take a little bit.
Not even close.
2, 1. James G, 54 points.
Yeah, James G went in the take profit pit like 4 times in the last 20 seconds.
Good job.
He ran away with it. Okay, so what do we got? We got Starboy, No Skills, SP King, and James G. James GG. James GG for James. Good game. Okay. You guys know I'm not big on long goodbyes, right? Hit the like button on your way out. Thank you to Bullinox for being a sponsor for the account for this week. Thank you to Mikey's Magic Mouthwash. And give it up for Luis for being sub of the week this week. See you all tomorrow, 9:15 or earlier.
Also, guys, if you're continuing to trade, remember today the market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern. Was that 12 Central, I think? So depending on where you're at, the market will be closing today. What do we got? Almost 11. 2 hours, 15 minutes, wherever you're at. Add 2 hours, 15 minutes to your time. Market will be closing. A lot of the firms, if you're still in a trade, you can lose your accounts. If you're trading a personal account, I sure hope you know better than to be close to the stop out.
Since the markets are closing earlier, if you guys need something to do, I don't know, open up the internet, find a local buffet that serves all you can eat crab legs, and go have a good time.
Take you a bottle of the, you didn't even put in the bottle of mouthwash.
Maybe you don't need it.
Like that was a missed opportunity. Just saying.
I was setting it up. I was setting it up for you to hit it out of the park.
Oh, I missed it, didn't I? Guys, appreciate everyone.
And a miss. Swing and a miss.
I thought the guy that said his name was Omnius was going to show up today, but he didn't.
Okay, I said no long goodbyes. Let's check out.
Guys, appreciate you. Have a good rest of your day. See you by tomorrow morning. Or maybe on stream this evening. All right, bye, guys.
Take care. Bye.
The trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battle, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done, the charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battle, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will